I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning the frontal area and prepping the wig so the products work predictably. Use a gentle alcohol wipe to remove oils, then place the wig on a blockhead and flatten the lace. Mix your bleach and developer to the recommended ratio and test on a small section to avoid overprocessing. Once done, apply carefully only to the baby hair area. Timing matters because shorter exposure preserves strand integrity and prevents yellowing. You now refine the hairline by plucking and tinting so it reads as natural. Lightly pluck single hairs along the frontal in the same direction the hair would grow. Avoid creating gaps. Then tint the knots with a small brush and concealer or knot tint spray. Tap to deposit color and prevent smudging. Finally, lay the edges using a small amount of edge control and mousse. Wrap with a silk scarf for 10 to 15 minutes to lock shape and smooth the lace. You finish by styling and sealing the frontal so it stays secure and natural looking. Use low to medium heat with a protectant to style baby hairs and blend with the wig. Then apply a thin layer of skin-safe adhesive or gel along the lace edge and press the lace gently to the skin. Make sure the glue cures fully before removing the scarf. If lifting happens, remove residue, dry the area, reapply a thin adhesive bead, and press until firmly set to avoid lumps or visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.